So I am halfway in. I kind of did a video before. As you can see, I've added light box system there that will have stickers on, a light bar there, new lights here which we manufactured, repainted. They will be clad into halfway up to stop the dirt and going on the walls. About to self-level the floor with floor compound in the toilet, which will be completely refitted, and you'll see that in a later video, the after. So the floor's a bit uneven, but I need to tile it, and yeah, it needs levelling. It's a bit uneven in places, so I want to get perfect, done once, done right. So shortly you'll see the after result. Just an update, just tiling. It's coming out great. Still got grout and finished edges. I'll show you when something's done. So currently we do have a door on it. That's because we're still not finished outside and it does get quite dusty. So yeah, we have staff lockers. We put cladding on the walls. This is so to stop any foot marks or prints or dirt going on there. It's easy to keep clean, easy to maintain. Nice stools. There's some nice stickers to show exactly where they go. Surface cleaner, cleaning roll, bin. What else is there? Table. We stagger the breaks now, so we are quite tight on space, but we have 2 break times, and that generally allows the workshop staff to come here in 2 staggered times. Office staff eat at their desk. It's always been that way. They seem to like it, so we've left it at that. And we've got this 3S's reminding everyone what we're doing. Got a nice light, set standard high. Got standard, must be left like this. It's standard. And then we've got a cleaning guide, 8-step guide. Everything is here. And then on here, everyone has a card. So at the end of each week, passed on goes to the back, so you know who's looking after it. So everyone has a card in here. Yeah, so you look after it for a week and it's kept very clean. Everything's labelled nice. Cleaning supplies, all Kanban. Automatic lights everywhere. And here. Clean toilet, brand new. We are making a shelf to put that on the wall there, so we can keep the floor clean. Nice tiled floor, and it's working great. So it stayed. We've finished for around. It's been finished around 2 weeks, and I personally looked after it in the cleaning side, and it's staying clean. It's great. Everyone respects it. I'm very happy. So keep it lean and clean. And the 3S's. So we've set the standard very high, and it's going to be kept this way, and I couldn't be happier.